today's job is going to be to move this little stockpile of material. They're bringing the tandem in for me, and I'm going to be doing it with the Yanmar Vio55. Let's see how it goes, right? Alright, so let's have a look at the engine in here. Well, it wasn't even locked. How's that? It was not even locked. Alright, there you go. So that's the engine compartment there. Obviously running a Yanmar motor. Reverse camera over here, you can see emergency stop. All the aircon units up here, which is good because it's up high, it's out of the way, it won't get so dusty as when they've got them down the bottom. So this is where the fuel goes. So you got your fuel, your air filter all up in this section here. So diesel in there, air filter there. So one thing I've noticed about this Yanmar machine is this gap between the track and the body. So every time you want to step into the cab, I put my foot here and then my shoe gets caught underneath. So when I'm trying to get in or out, my boot gets caught right in that little section there. See that? So the toe cap gets caught, and it's pretty dangerous because if I'm trying to get out, my foot gets jammed in there sometimes. So sometimes it slides in and then I can't get it out if you come out on a bit of an angle. So as you can see there. So that's something to look out for if you're using a Yanmar biplane. And I also made a video once about these levers. I hate how this lever sits because it actually, every time you try and get up out of the seat, you get restricted. It actually grabs onto you. So the arm is very, very long. So I do realize that it's got some really good reach. So definitely got good reach. The bucket there, it's a huge 1500 bucket, but it actually works well. For a zero swing machine, you can load that bucket and it doesn't really tip or tilt around too much. So so far Yanmar's been pretty good. You've got to have it on sort of high revs to get it going. That's one thing I've noticed, but still works well.